dear students, how you all are?
Fine.
Okay, thank you. Today I am not going to teach. I am going to give some suggestions. That suggestions will help you not only in your examination but in your career. As we know, teacher is a friend, guide, philosopher, as also an instructor. What I have gained in my career, that I am going to share with you. Experience is the best teacher. What I have seen, maximum more than 70 to 80% students are doing hard labor during the examination time. They are reading, they focus, they stress on study during the examination or before the examination. My question is, why not they are starting on the session starts? When the teachers are teaching in the beginning of the session, why you are not going through the book? Okay, please you apply this one, and what I am telling you, just listen, accept, follow it. If there is any doubt, you write comment in comment box. So first one, you go through the NS'IR book. NS'IR book is foundation book, basic book. With the help of NS'IR book, you collect the important points and write the meaning of that words using the physics dictionary or Oxford dictionary. Then use it with a reference book. And today's topic is, I am giving you special notes based on electrostatics, which is the first chapter, part 1, electric charges and fields. Okay, understand? So it is the precious time for you. You prepare notes and you follow my notes. If there is any difficult, again I am repeating, you will contact and write the comments in comment box. But my question is, suppose you are going to read first chapter, electric charges and fields. You just remember the important formula. Important formula, just time quantization, Q plus minus NE. Then Coulomb's law, F is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. In short, I am telling, it is quantization, it is Coulomb's law, it is K, again F naught by Fm, it is dielectric constant. Another formula, I think all of you have seen my last videos. Those who have not seen, you see, this is relative permittivity. So this is, this one you can write also. Then electric field, F by Q naught, when you are taking the point charge, it is KQ by R square. Then electric flux, phi E, phi flux, phi electric flux, E dot S. Okay. Then Gauss theorem, phi E is equal to surface integral in a closed surface, E dot ds. Okay, that is total charge enclosed by epsilon naught. Then E is equal to lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r. Electric field due to line charge, application of Gauss theorem. Another is electric field E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. For infinite, due to thin sheet, it is infinite sheet, but for finite, it is E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught, it is finite sheet. But another formulas also there, linear charge density, surface charge density, volume charge density. So lambda is equal to Q by L, you can write, it is sigma is equal to Q by A, or S you can take, rho is equal to Q by V. Why I am giving? Important is you try to remember these formulas and the physical quantity units. What is the important? Important thing is, when it will not help you only to solve the problems. It also helps in to solve the numerical problems. But this one is help you definition. While you are going to derive something, that also help. And if you know that one, you can apply in any place in any examination, or not only in a board examination but also in a competitive examination. Just I am telling, suppose you know this one, anyone you take one example. The total charge on a system or on a body is equal to the integral multiple of basic charge or electric charge n 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. That I have already made video, last video you see. Okay, and if you know the meaning and the unit, most important is unit and usual meaning. What is the meaning of this term, these are the terms. What is the meaning and unit? Okay, so I think with this I am giving you special notes that you have never seen before. I think first use, I am giving notes and you follow, accept and prepare. If there is any problem, you also write the comments in comment box. Thank you. Have a good day and nice day.